Okay, so I put together a quick list of 5 main categories of items that you can use to that comes with a digital pen, and some of them works standalone and some of them you have to plug them to a device, right? So here they are. So this list actually goes from most economical to the most expensive, right? And the most economical one being what you call a graphic tablet. That's this one. And that is a tablet that it doesn't have a screen. You rest it down. You look on a monitor while drawing with your hand. So you have to be kind of like this, and you have to kind of know, hand-eye coordination you have to work with. But it is the most economical one, and I believe some of us are familiar with this one already, and it is available at Incomex as far as I heard. Um, I did a quick search on Amazon, and this is about the price for it, which is about $80 thereabout. Most of them see $89, $72, and then the larger they are, it's the bigger that they will get, right? Okay, so the next one is an interesting one. That's this one. And what this is essentially a portable touchscreen monitor. Think of it that way. So, if you take a look on that, this is kind of how it works. And what happens is that you walk with it just like you would the tablet. You plug it into your computer, but it has a touch screen and it comes with a pen. Notice that the person is wearing a little glove, and that's because of what you call palm rejection. Whenever you're writing, you have to write properly, you have to press down with your palm and write. But some of these touch devices, when you press with your palm, your palm is actually writing. So it comes with a little glove thing that you have to put on so that it doesn't have so it rejects your palm and just picks up the pen. Most of the modern tablets nowadays have built-in palm rejection, but this is in the lower price point. So this one costs a little bit more than your graphic tablet. So this one is about like $200. So this, you're kind of doubling the price now, but it's a nice in between, right? Between the two. The next one that is there is your typical tablet, right? And your tablet could be an iPad or an Android, whichever. The most popular ones is your iPad for the Apple, and for your Android, it's normally the graphic, the Galaxy Tab. Both of them probably costing around the 300 to 400, and even more, but averagely about 400 in that price bracket. Right. So those are pretty popular. You can find a lot of those on Amazon, and most of them is in the 300 region. If you're getting an iPad, you definitely have to look for the generation 6 and older, because the generation 6 and older supports the Apple Pen. Anything younger don't support the pen. So if you see some that is really cheap, make sure that is generation 6 and upward. Now, if you want to go a step above the iPad, then you could go for the Surface tablet. This category is where what you call the two-in-one. So you have those laptops that fold and turn into a tablet, and they turn back into a traditional laptop. I think the best one in that bracket is either the Lenovo Yoga or the Surface, the Microsoft Surface. So if we take a look on that, averagely that is about, depending on the specs, because this is a full computer. It's not running a mobile OS. So Averagely 700, 800 in that bracket for a good tablet tab 2-in-1 PC. The best one I think is the Surface and um, the Lenovo Yoga, right? And now for the most premium, if you want the best experience for drawing with a digital pen, then the Cintiq, and there isn't much computers or much tablets in this category. This is primarily used for artists. The difference with this, you must be wondering why would this cost like over $1,000. The main difference is it actually feels like paper. Everything up to this point, when you write on a screen, on a digital screen, it's very slippery. It kind of feels like the pen is in Vaseline or something. So when you write on this, it actually has that friction that a traditional paper would have. This would be the most premium thing that you could possibly buy that would feel like something you could take notes with or draw or sketch. And of course, this one is definitely for professional artists, right? So there you go. These are the 5 categories that you will find, and is essentially you just need to pick one from this category. The only one that I know of that's available in Jamaica is of course the graphic tablet. Everything else you pretty much have to get from Amazon, pretty much,